How to play Flight Simulator on PS5. I'm going to tell you how to play Flight Simulator on PS5. Even though there's no native version of Microsoft Flight Simulator for PlayStation, the only official release is on PC and Xbox. But if you want a flight sim experience on your PS5, here's what you can do. First, check out alternatives available on the PlayStation Store. Games like Ace Combat 7 or War Thunder offer realistic aircraft handling and detailed environments. They're not the same as Microsoft's version, but they scratch the same itch for aviation fans. If you're dead set on the real Microsoft Flight Simulator, you'll need an Xbox Series X or S or a capable PC. Remote play from Xbox to other devices is possible, but not to PlayStation. Bottom line, you can't run the actual flight simulator on PS5, but there are still solid flying games worth checking out on Sony's platform.